How to fix iPhone swipe up not working. If the swipe up gesture, control center or home screen is not working on your iPhone, don't worry. It is a common issue that can usually be fixed quickly, and here is a full guide to help you troubleshoot and solve it. So first of all, restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button and slide to power off and simply tap on the restart. A simple reboot can fix most touch gesture glitches. After that, clean the screen. Sometimes dirt on a screen protector can block swipe gesture. Wipe the screen gently with a microfiber cloth. Try removing the screen protector and test again. Now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the settings app option available on your home screen. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. Then tap on the software update and update your iPhone to the latest version. There could be a block causing gesture problem, so download and install the latest iOS version. Once you have done so, simply go back to the settings general again. And once you go back, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings. This won't delete your data, just reset system settings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.